Hi and welcome back to the Sil and Sock Homestay YouTube channel. Today I'm baking again. I'm live streaming it. I've got it recording on my phone over here, but I'm also going to record a bunch of video and take some photos to use for this video, and then hopefully we'll be able to use it for some other videos and other photos that we need to help promote what we do here at Sil and Sock, which includes fresh home-baked pizza in our wood-fired oven. I'm all ready, so let's get going. And this is now the fourth time that I'm baking pizza in a little over a week. One of the main things, as always, with a good pizza is getting the dough just right. And I figure I'm making some progress with it. It's the first time I did it, it was a really, really wet day and evening, and the moisture in the atmosphere was just incredible. It was so humid, my dough wasn't easy to work with. It sticks to the peel, it sticks to the board inside, and just makes everything much more difficult. Working, to get the shape of a pizza like this, when it's very sticky dough, it is very easy to get holes in the base, and holes in the base are dangerous, because they will end up making it so that the pizza ends up stuck on the bottom of the oven, and that's not where I really want it to be. So today I'm only making one type of pizza, just bringing it down and keeping focused. This is our Pakapao pizza, which is a traditional Thai ground pork, a chili, and Thai basil. Putting tomato with it, which I think works really well, and also, because it's pizza, adding some cheese. It's feeling good. And we go with the first one. Amazing. I'm watching pizza maestros on YouTube, and just fabulous to really enjoy the amount that we can study the masters and learn just from sitting at a computer or watching on our phone or wherever we are. And it's great. Even 10, 15 years ago, we wouldn't have had this amount of information and certainly video demonstration available to us. So to learn it is great, but also I watch these guys, I watch how they do this. I get the peel in there and they flip around, and I can get my peel in there and I mess around and struggle with it, and it takes a bit of time to get it to do what I want it to do, but yeah, we get there eventually. Yeah, that's looking like I'd want to take photos of it. Some photos, a little bit of video, mix it up. I think I'd call that a pretty pizza. What do you think? It's pretty good to me. Hey, that's not too bad at all, is it? Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this Sil and Sock Homestay video, and if you have, please give us a thumbs up, click that like button, and if you're new to our channel, click the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you can stay up to date when we release new videos.